Linis.
Just gonna make some sausawan. I guess with this one.
Ano dyan?
What do you need? Yeah, I don't have. Yeah, basain mo na lang yung water. Do you need this? This?
Yeah.
Okay.
Suction.
Okay. Naamoy ko na ang ano. Ang sarap yan. Two rice.
Okay, ito patis.
I think so.
Yeah, patis nga.
We turned off the fan because it's windy. It's nice. It's fresh.
Tuyo, patis.
I don't know. It's up to you. Yun. 20 kubo daw to. Yun, may isa pa kubo dyan sa baba. Tapos may malaki sila for like weddings. Doon sa taas. Yeah. Actually, there's a wedding now.
Okay. Sige na, habang mainit.
Alright. Okay, we're gonna take. Can you open this, please? Ta-da! Let's for 3. Half lang yan, pero
For 2 people.
3, no, 2 to 3.
2 to 3.
Yeah, okay.